Hey everybody, welcome to today's video. I'm going to be covering what we did on the day that we left Tokyo and we went to Osaka. But in between that, we went to Yokohama so that we could go to the Gundam Factory. I am showing parts of this video here to show how empty the train stations were at this time. It was a Saturday morning, and this was the emptiest I ever saw the train stations. Usually they were very busy. The Yokohama Marine Tower is very close to the port where the Gundam Factory is. When we went to Yokohama, it was the coldest it had been so far. In fact, I had been wearing short sleeve shirts and shorts while we were in Tokyo, but this day was colder and it was very windy. And I had packed my jacket in my suitcase, and we had shipped our luggage to the hotel in Osaka. So just know that I was very cold on this day because I was in short sleeves and I had shorts on. Uh, However, it was well worth it, and we had a great time while we were there. They do have some different menus posted before you go in. You can see what's in the store. You can see what's already sold out of the store. You can also see the menu items there at the Gundam Cafe. So it was nice to be able to take a look at that before we went inside. There are multiple shows throughout the day with the Gundam. However, we only were able to see this one show because we weren't going to be there very long. Again, like I said, we were going in between Tokyo and Osaka. What happened, if you didn't watch my other videos, we were originally supposed to fly out on a Friday and get to Tokyo on that Saturday, and then on Sunday, our first full day, we were going to go to Yokohama, go to the Gundam Factory, and spend a lot more time there. However, our flight on that Friday had gotten canceled due to weather, and so we had to rebook our flight, but we weren't able to rebook until Monday. So that Sunday, when we were originally supposed to go to the Gundam Factory, we weren't able to go. Um, Now, that would have been fine, except for the fact that Monday through Friday, while we were there, it was shut down for maintenance. So the only day that we could go, that we had time to go, was on that Saturday in between Tokyo and Osaka. So unfortunately, we only got to see one show, and it had already started. You can see the Gundam was already kneeling when we came in, but we did catch most of it, and it was really cool to see. As you can see here, it was a lot cooler in person, I have to say. Unfortunately, I believe this is closing in March. It was supposed to have closed already before this, but they did extend it a couple of times. So I'm glad that I had the opportunity to experience this. And I hope you get a taste of it here and get to experience it through what I was able to film for you. Coming up next, I'm just going to give you a walkthrough of the store. Now, we weren't able to film inside the store, but we were allowed to take pictures. So I did take pictures of all the displays they had up and some of the model kits that I saw while I was in there. I did buy one t-shirt while I was there at the Gundam Factory. I bought a large and it did fit, so that was good. And I bought a model while I was there as well. Now, it was one of the Gundam Factory Yokohama models, so it was exclusive there. And it is the RX-78F00 Gundam and G-Doc, which I believe is the Gundam that you were there watching when you're on site. So it's basically what you see uh, when you go to the Gundam Factory. So it was the one that I really wanted. Glad I was able to pick that model up. Later on, I might do a video on that model, putting it together, um, or at least showing it off after we've put it together. We did eat lunch at the Gundam Cafe before we left. I don't remember what my girlfriend ate, but she had a matcha latte that I have in one of these pictures, and I had the BLT burger. I did like how the wrapper was a Gundam hand uh, around the burger, but the food was good and we enjoyed it. I hope you've enjoyed this video today. If you did, please give me a like and subscribe to the channel if you're not already. I have more stuff from Japan to show you, and I'll catch you in the next one.